Every morning is a new beginning. Today, I choose to rise with confidence, not fear. I believe in my ability to speak English clearly. Each word I say builds the bridge to my dreams. I am not just learning English, I am growing as a person. With every sentence, I unlock more of my potential. My voice deserves to be heard in every language. I speak with courage, calmness, and clarity. This morning, I fill my heart with gratitude. I am thankful for the chance to learn and improve. I know progress takes time, and I am patient with myself. Step by step, I am becoming fluent and free. When I speak, I smile. When I smile, I learn faster. My energy attracts good things, good people, good moments. Today, I decide to be my best version. I no longer compare my English to others. Everyone's journey is different. Mine is beautiful too. I celebrate small victories because they lead to big success. I am consistent, disciplined, and full of purpose. Each new word I learn is a seed of opportunity I planted in my mind, and it grows stronger every day. I trust that practice will make me powerful. English is not difficult. It's a gift I'm mastering. I take a deep breath and speak with confidence. My mistakes do not define me, they guide me. Every error is a teacher, and I am a good student. I am learning faster than I think. I am proud of myself for showing up today. Most people give up, but I continue moving forward. This commitment makes me unstoppable. Fluency is not a dream, it's my daily reality in motion. When I speak English, I connect with the world. I share my ideas, my emotions, my identity. The world listens when I speak with passion. My words carry value and strength. I use my voice to inspire others. Every sentence is a vibration of confidence. I speak clearly, calmly, and with meaning. My communication opens new doors every day. Today, I choose to believe in my growth. The more I speak, the more fluent I become. I am no longer afraid of speaking in front of others. Confidence flows naturally through me. I start my day with English, and it sets my energy high. Learning a language is learning a mindset of success. I don't rush, I trust the process. Each morning, I rise a little stronger. The sun reminds me that progress happens daily. It rises no matter the weather. And so do I today. I focus on what I can control. My attitude, my effort, my words. I release the fear of making mistakes. Mistakes mean I am trying, learning, growing. Each one makes me wiser and more fluent. I am not afraid to speak anymore. My English is improving every day, even if I don't notice. I trust the small invisible steps of progress. Each repetition rewires my brain for success. Consistency is my secret power. I repeat positive words, and they become reality. I can speak English clearly. I am confident. Every time I say it, it becomes more true. My thoughts create my voice. I visualize myself speaking fluently and smiling. I see people understanding me with ease. That image becomes my motivation. I am already becoming that version of me. My energy in the morning decides my entire day, so I choose energy, clarity, and focus. I speak English with joy, not pressure. This is how I grow naturally and powerfully. When I listen, I understand more than before. When I speak, I feel more confident than yesterday. Every small action multiplies my results. I am proud of how far I've come. I am not perfect, and I don't need to be. Fluency is not perfection, it's connection. I focus on communication, not comparison. My goal is progress, not pressure. I am surrounded by opportunities to learn. Every video, every voice, every word helps me grow. I use them all as my teachers. The world is my classroom. My pronunciation improves each morning I practice. I speak slowly, clearly, and with meaning. People understand me because I speak with heart. My English is alive with emotion. Let go of fear and hold on to excitement. Learning English is not a burden, it's a journey. Each day, I get closer to the confident version of me. I am becoming fluent in life itself. Today, I choose discipline over excuses. I give time to what truly matters, my growth. The effort I make today will echo tomorrow. Success loves consistency, and I am consistent. I believe in myself more than ever before. Even when it's hard, I keep going. My persistence is my power. I am becoming unstoppable. I speak English because I want to connect, to express my ideas, my creativity, my light. My voice can change my world, and I am brave enough to use it. Every time I repeat these affirmations, I grow stronger. I feel my energy rising with every word. My mind becomes clear, my voice more confident. This is how I begin my powerful morning. I am not behind, I am exactly where I should be. Each step forward counts, even the smallest one. I trust my journey because it's mine, and it's leading me to fluency. I am grateful for my mind's ability to learn. It absorbs new words like sunlight on leaves. Every sound, every phrase becomes part of me. I am open, curious, and improving daily. I no longer doubt myself when I speak. I know I'm improving each day. The more I speak, the easier it becomes. Confidence is my natural state. I use my English to grow, not to impress. Every conversation helps me evolve. I value practice more than perfection. I'm proud of every step I take. The morning is my sacred time for learning. I fill it with energy, focus, and positive thoughts. English becomes easier when I feel good. My mind is sharp, calm, and ready. I am surrounded by growth and possibilities. The world opens for those who are ready, and I am ready now. Ready to rise, ready to speak, ready to shine. Today is not just another day, it's a new chance. A chance to speak better, feel better, be better. I take it with both hands and a strong heart. This is my day of progress. I practice not because I have to, but because I love to. I love hearing my voice improve. I love feeling confident when I speak. English brings me closer to my dreams. My English learning journey inspires others. When they see my dedication, they feel hope. I am not just learning, I am leading by example. I am the proof that consistency wins. I control my energy, my focus, my destiny. Nothing can stop me from improving. I wake up every morning with purpose. Today is another chance to rise higher. I am grateful for the chance to learn freely. For every video, every book, every new word, my world expands with every lesson. I am becoming limitless. When doubt appears, I replace it with gratitude. When fear speaks, I answer with courage. I am the captain of my mind, and my mind chooses strength. My journey is unique and valuable. I don't rush it, I enjoy it. Each morning practice brings new clarity, and that clarity leads to confidence. I am learning English, but I'm also learning life. Patience, focus, and self-belief grow within me. I am not just learning words, I am building mindset. Every repetition makes me stronger. I respect my progress, no matter how small, because progress is progress. Today, I celebrate how far I've come, and I'm excited for what's next. I breathe in calmness. I breathe out confidence. I speak from my heart with honesty and power. The more I repeat, the more natural it feels. Fluency flows through me. Each morning, I'm reborn with new energy. I'm not who I was yesterday, I'm better. I learn, adapt, and shine brighter each day. This is my transformation in motion. Today, I choose confidence. I choose effort. I choose English. Because I know my voice can change my future. And my future starts right now.